In the beginning, there is only a tiny seed resting quietly in soft soil, almost invisible but full of potential. Nothing seems to move on the surface, yet deep inside the seed, life is slowly preparing to awaken. As moisture enters the soil and warmth surrounds the seed, a silent transformation begins. The shell softens, cracks appear, and a fragile white root starts pushing downward, searching for water, stability, and a place to anchor. If you could watch this in real time, you wouldn't see anything. But in a time lapse, this hidden world becomes beautifully visible, revealing nature's slow but powerful rhythm. The root continues spreading deeper, drawing nutrients from the soil. Then the first tiny shoot appears, bending upward as if sensing the light waiting above. Slowly, the sprout pushes through the surface. When it finally breaks into open air, it looks delicate, almost uncertain. Its first leaves uncurl quietly like a newborn discovering the world. Light becomes its guide now. Every second, the sprout reaches a little higher, strengthening its stem, widening its leaves, and capturing sunlight to create energy. From this moment on, its journey from seed to plant officially begins. With each passing day, the sprout becomes more confident. Its light green color deepens, its leaves expand, and its stem becomes sturdier. In a time-lapse sequence, these changes appear rapid and alive, the plant stretching, turning, responding to every ray of light. Plants are incredibly sensitive to their surroundings. They lean toward brightness, stand taller with warmth, and slow down when conditions become harsh. Even the tiniest movement becomes clear when viewed through time-lapse footage, showing a dance of growth that happens too slowly for human eyes. As the plant enters its early growth stage, new leaves begin to form. The first pair is soon followed by a second and then a third. Roots expand underground, weaving a network strong enough to support the plant's increasing height. If grown indoors, the plant gently angles itself toward windows or artificial lights, following the path of brightness throughout the day. If grown outdoors, wind, rain, and shifting sunlight contribute to its natural movement, swaying, adjusting, but never stopping its upward climb. This is the stage when many people truly begin to appreciate gardening. Whether grown in a large garden, a balcony pot, or a small indoor container, the sight of new leaves signals progress. It tells you the plant is healthy, responding well to water and light, and preparing for the next stage of its life. You begin to see characteristics of leafy plants, fruiting plants, or herbs, but still in a general, early form. Regardless of type, every plant shares the same silent determination to grow. As time goes on, the plant enters a stronger vegetative phase. Its leaves grow larger, stems thicken, and its color deepens as chlorophyll becomes richer. The plant now consumes more water and more light, converting them into energy to expand. In a time lapse, the movement becomes even more mesmerizing, leaves turning upward during the day, relaxing slightly at night, small adjustments in position whenever light direction changes, soil shifting as roots spread deeper. These natural actions reveal the intelligence of plants, a quiet awareness of their environment. Sometimes new branches begin to form, depending on the plant type, but even if you keep everything general, the signs of maturity are the same: stronger leaves, a firm stem, and a steady pattern of growth. Gardeners often describe this phase as the most satisfying because the plant looks lively and full of promise. Its structure becomes clearer, and you can see how far it has come since its early sprout stage. Eventually, the plant begins preparing itself for reproduction, the stage where flowers or buds may appear. Even in a general description, this transformation is beautiful. Buds develop slowly, swelling gently until one day they open into delicate flowers. In a time-lapse video, blooming looks almost magical, like petals revealing themselves in a graceful performance. Flowers are an essential step for many plants because they lead to seeds, new sprouts, or fruit. Each bloom is a symbol of maturity and a sign that the plant has reached a key stage in its life cycle. After the flowering stage, the plant shifts its energy into forming new growth. You may see tiny formations that represent future seeds or fruit, depending on the plant type. These small structures grow day by day, gaining size and shape as the plant feeds them with nutrients absorbed from the soil. The leaves continue to play their part, capturing sunlight and converting it into food for every developing part of the plant. Roots, unseen but vital, work harder now, anchoring the plant securely while drawing in more water and minerals. In the final stages of growth, before harvest, the plant looks full and complete. Its leaves are well formed, its branches strong, and its energy balance stable. Whether it will produce leaves, herbs, or vegetables, the plant's life cycle becomes clear. It started as a quiet seed and has grown into something structured, purposeful, and alive. Time-lapse footage shows this entire journey: tiny movements, rapid changes, cycles of day and night, and the long transformation from sprout to mature plant. Finally, the harvest moment arrives. You gently touch the plant, noticing how firm, fresh, and vibrant it has become. What began as a tiny seed now stands as a testimony to patience and care. Harvesting something you grew yourself, even if it's a simple leaf, herb, or vegetable, brings a sense of accomplishment. It reconnects you with nature's slow but meaningful rhythm. Growing plants teaches patience. It shows the importance of water, light, soil, and balance. It reminds us that life takes time, that progress is gradual, and that every small change matters. Time-lapse videos reveal these truths in a way no other medium can, transforming slow growth into a visible, inspiring story. And when you watch a plant grow, from tiny seed to thriving life, you realize that every moment of the journey is valuable. Every sprout, every leaf, every silent movement is part of a beautiful process. This is the miracle of plant life, unfolding day by day, reminding us how powerful small beginnings can be.